Metaltech Pump Jack, a low-cost portable scaffolding built of rugged steel. A productive and versatile solution that offers you secure access for all types of projects. The Metaltech Steel Pump Jack system is a safe and reliable system that will increase your productivity. The Pump Jack is held securely on wooden poles with a positive double locking system. With the foot pump, you will rise to the desired height and descend with the hand crank. This safe and versatile system can easily be adjusted up to 7 to 23 feet long and reach up to 30 feet high for different applications. The wooden pole can be installed on all flat and hard surfaces. The spike pole anchor can be used on softer, uneven surfaces. The system is configurable with a variety of options to accommodate almost all project environments. You won't believe how smooth and easy it is to operate the Pump Jack system. Metaltech, built tough for safety.